Hey y'all, here we have an ordinary differential equation initial value problem that we're going to solve using the method of separation of variables. And the way this method works is that we want all y's on one side and all x's on the other side. That's what we mean by separation of variables. And here our initial value is x at pi over 4 equals 1. This particular problem isn't too difficult in terms of separating the variables. It's quite straightforward. What we're going to do is divide both sides by x squared plus 1. And now we have on the left hand side dx over x squared plus 1. We're going to turn that into an integral. And then we have 4 dt on the right hand side, and that too will be an integral. So by the way, we can see that dx over x squared plus 1 fits the integral formula for the arctangent. So this is going to be an arctangent equation. So we have arctangent of x equals 4t plus c. And if you remember, the range for arctangents is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. This piece of knowledge is particularly important for the initial value that we're given. So if you recall, the arctangent is simply an inverse tangent function, so meaning it gives us the angle. So arctangent of x equals 4t plus c. That means that 4t plus c is the angle. Preferably, it's better to rewrite these type of problems into a regular trig function as opposed to an inverse trig. So that's the next step that we're going to do. X of t equals tangent of 4t plus c. And now with our initial value, x of pi over 4 equals tangent of 4 times pi over 4 plus c equals 1. Now, if you recall, what angle inside the range of negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 would give us 1? That's pi over 4. Pi over 4 gives us 1. So by equating pi plus c to pi over 4, we would get our value for c. So c equals pi over 4 minus pi equals negative 3 pi over 4. Now we plug in that value for c and we'll get our final equation. X of t equals tangent of 4t minus 3 pi over 4. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this problem or regarding separation of variables. Let me know what you guys thought. Were you able to follow along? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, take care.